Hi everyone, welcome back to my English version of my channel. So I decided to create more English version of my videos because I get a lot of direct messages from my English speaking followers in my Instagram saying like, Jama, where's English subtitles? Where's English subtitles? So I decided to create like separate English and separate Russian. That way it's gonna be more easier for me, easier for you guys. So you don't have to turn on that subtitles. So you just go to the English version, get what you need, that's it. Today in this video I want to do a demo and review for the new mask trio from I Do Care. I love to say that word, I Do Care. Here's a trio mask from I Do Care. It's already available in Ulta.com and I think it will be available later in February 26 in Ulta stores and selected Urban Outfitters stores. Introducing the Mini Meow Trio, a brand new peel-off mask kit from I Do Care that allows you to create a personalized routine for your specific skin concerns. The first one is very popular one, is a black mask, black peel-off mask. It's called Exfoliating Galactic Black Peel-Off Mask. It's a black one, it's good for exfoliation, it's just overall good for pores, blackheads, whiteheads. The second one, it's an Illuminating Hydrating Diamond Peel-Off Mask. Very cute one, it's really good for people with dry skin, dry spots. The third one is my most favorite one, it's a Holographic Peel-Off Mask. This is more like if you want to get that beautiful dew glow finish, so this is what it's gonna give you. The question is, why 3 of them in one box? Okay, you get to try all of them, you get to know which you like better, and you can buy a full size of it. But other thing is, it's customizable. I'm pretty sure a lot of us are combination skin. It's impossible to be just dry or just oily. You still have some spot, like you can be super oily here, but you still have dry area, or you can be oily here, a little bit dry here. So this is perfect for people with a combination skin like me. So I'm excited to show you the demo how to use it. Alright, first I'm gonna apply Space Kitten Mask. I'm gonna apply this on my T-zone. A lot of the time I get super oily on my T-zone, it's one, and I get a lot of blackheads on my nose, on my chin, so I decided to apply this black mask on my T-zone. This mask contains volcanic ash, which exfoliates your skin, absorbs impurities, and helps with oil control. Next mask is Sugar Kitten. It's my favorite one. I'm gonna apply this on a highest point of my cheekbone, basically on 2 cheekbones where I want to be more highlighted and dewy. This mask contains rose water, which boosts elasticity and calms irritated skin. And the last mask, it's a Disco Kitten Illuminating Mask. It's enriched with superfoods, antioxidants, so it's good for illumination and just softer, healthier looking skin. Meow meow, I'm ready. Now we need to wait about 20 to 30 minutes and I'll be back. 20 minutes later. First I'm gonna peel off the black one because I heard it's very painful, so I'm about to do that first, and it's pretty painful. I think I put too close to my hairline, which kind of like stuck in my hair. It's kind of hurts. You can even see it on my face. But it's so satisfying on my nose. All my blackheads and whiteheads is gone. And the holographic one was super easy, and my skin left soft and it didn't hurt at all. And illuminating as well, it didn't hurt at all. But my skin felt so good, super fresh and healthy looking, super tight and super firm and hydrated. So here's my final review for the Trio Kit mask from I Do Care. I think it's really worth it, and first it's pretty affordable. And first of all, you get to try all of them in once. Even your more oily skin, you try this one. Winter time, if your skin is dehydrated, you can try the hydrating one. That's a really good part of about it. The second one, I really like that you can customize it like I did. You can try on like targeted areas. And the third one, it's really fun to play with this mask. They're holographic, they're fun, they're with glitters. It's just good to have in your PJ party and use them and show them to your girlfriends. They're really fun to play with. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow on my Instagram, Jamkin_donuts, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.